The cat sits on the table. It looks ahead, waiting. Slowly moves its paw forward. Touches the glass on the table. The glass moves slightly. The cat pushes the glass again. The glass falls off the table. The cat stares at the glass. Waits in surprise. Glances around the table. Looks at the toy nearby.
Like, do we got a problem?
Touches the toy with its paw.
Hey.
The cat knocks the toy down.
Hey.
Glances back at the table. Tail moves slightly. The cat sits still on the table.